how to log into your Twitch account. So first of all, you will have to open your web browser and search for twitch.tv, and this will take you to the official website of Twitch. If you guys don't know, Twitch is basically a online streaming platform where gamers or streamers stream their games. So if you don't have an account, you can sign up by clicking right here, but if you do have an account, you can just click on login, and this will ask you for your username and your password. Once you enter your username and your password, you can just click on login, and this will log into your Twitch account. Once it's loaded, as you can see here, this is now logged into my Twitch account, and it's as easy as that. And here, after logging in, you can enjoy your favorite streamers without any problem. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.